Hey, this is Mad Hatter here, and I'm going to show you a new tool on my Discord that helps you make your own packs for Structura. To get things out of the way, this will work for Android and for PC versions. I don't know how to make it work for any other versions, including iOS. You can ask all you want. That's an Apple problem, not a me problem. I can't make it work for Apple. And for the console editions, I'm not sure how to make it work for those either. But for now, this will work for Android and for the PC version. Second thing is this is a bot that I have to pay for. There's a program running in AWS that has to be paid every month. For me, that means that I need to make sure it stays economically viable. For you, what that means is like, subscribe, and watch videos. If you watch one video a month of mine, that's all I'm asking for. Watch for one video a month, any video, random video, doesn't really matter. You will help pay the bot's bills. All I need is one video a month from everybody who uses a bot, and the bot should pay for itself. And if you like, subscribe, share, that really helps out. The first thing you're gonna have to do is go into a creative world, build whatever you want, and then export a structure block. Once you export a structure block into an MC structure file, you'll be able to use this bot. So let's show you how to make a MC structure file. Okay, first thing is we are in a creative world. You're gonna need to be in the creative world to do this. It doesn't really work in the survival worlds. And if you are an Android, you're going to go into the Discord, go into the Structura talk channel, look in the pinned comments and download a resource pack, install that resource pack and run it. This resource pack does not work on iOS. It crashes because iOS does not allow for these types of things to happen. It's part of iOS terms. So after you get the resource pack installed, your structure blocks, which you can get using the / commands and give at s structure block. Your structure block will now look different in the user interface. It'll look closer to this user interface. You will have an export button. So first thing that you want to do is build your build in creative. Find one that you're interested in. This one over here looks good. Say I wanted to save this one. I would right click on it, make sure it has a name. Make sure I adjust my bounding box by using the size offsets. The size and offsets are calculated here, and you can see the red is red numbers, blue is blue numbers, green is green numbers. You get it all situated so it captures what you want. You save this wherever you want. So I'm gonna just save it in my test folder. At that point, you can make your pack using the bot. Okay, now that we have an MC structure file, let's show you how to get into the Discord. So first thing, down to the description and go click the link for the Discord invite. Now, my Discord does require you to have a valid phone number. It requires a number of other things to get in. That is to prevent spam and harm to other members of the Discord. It also has no abilities when you first join, except for seeing a purgatory channel that nobody else in the entire Discord can see. This is just in case somebody gets confused, and it is not something that you actually can use as a normal channel. So first thing you're gonna do when you come to the Discord is click on rules and read every rule and make sure you understand it. If you understand all of the rules, click the thumbs up button. If you do not click the thumbs up button, you will stay in purgatory. After you click the thumbs up button, it'll look something like this. You will have a whole bunch of new channels on the side. These channels you're supposed to use for the topics that are in the channel. Don't use the wrong channel because it just annoys people and it will get you banned. Now, for the bot, you come down here to the Structura bot channel. In this channel, you can type /help. You can select this bot. The one with the hat icon is the one that you want. You could type /convert. And then you could select your MC structure file. This will take a couple of seconds, and then once it's done, it'll post the data. If this times out, don't run it again. It's because your MC structure file is too big, and it hung and it didn't complete within the timeline that I allow for. If it times out, don't retry because it didn't complete in time and it won't complete in time in the future. It's just going to end up running up the bill and making it more likely that we have to stop the bot. You can download the Structura pack by clicking this link. It's going to bring up a warning. You can click through that warning and it will download in your web browser. You can click this link for your materials list. It'll download your materials list and you'll get it here After downloading, I can click on the pack or install a pack any way that you would normally install a pack. It says installed successful. Ignore the debug text. So now that it's installed, we go to global resources, activate, and we can activate this multi-item sorter. I'll go back and I can jump into this world, give myself an armor stand. And now when I place the armor stand down, it's got that build attached to it. And you can shift right click and repose the armor stand and look at each layer as it goes. So this is Slackville Forever. I don't have permissions to do anything fancy on here other than play Minecraft. This is a server, and you can see it works exactly the same now that we are on a server, assuming that your server doesn't have a forced texture pack and is allowing for custom texture packs. I am not going to show you how to set this bot up in your Discord. I'm not going to support this bot in other people's Discords because it requires somebody to actually fund it. And if you want to learn how to fund it yourself, that's going to take a lot of teaching and a lot of time that we don't have time for in this video. So it's only available on my Discord. So with that in mind, if you like the video, please like the video. Please do subscribe. And if you want to see more of this in the future, go watch another one of my videos. Any of them that you want so that we can keep Structura funded and moving forward. Anyway, this is Mad Hatter. Bye!